Are you forever wondering what your profit is going to be on a book for Kindle Direct Publishing? Well, I've got a quick and easy tip for you. Hi, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, where I like to share about how to make money online and a lot about Kindle Direct Publishing and publishing low content books with some great ideas. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or join my Facebook group. All right, so let's go, and I'm going to show you an awesome quick tip to see how many pages are going to cost how much and what your profit is going to be. Okay, here I am on KDP's print cost and royalty calculator, and this is to help you calculate the cost of your book and see how much you're going to make, or if you just want to play around with it and see, oh, if I make a book this size with this many colored pages, what's my profit, what are the costs, all that sort of thing. So here's what we're going to do. You can see it's pretty simple. I will have this link in the show notes to this calculator. You can probably search on Google, but if you don't want to do the searching, I'll put this link in the show notes. But you can see it, you can pick paperback or hardcover. Okay, and you can pick your different styles. So let's say we're going to do a premium color with white interior. So we're doing like a kid's book or something like that. And I'm just going to kind of show you some examples. We're going to do that kind of 40 pages or like 41 pages. Even let's do an example with under 40 pages, 39 pages. You can pick your marketplace and you can see what your costs are. So usually if you're going to do color around 40 pages, $9.99 is what you should price it at, and it's going to show you in this marketplace. This is your minimum list price, $608. You can see that's why I'm going to price it at $9.99 now. And I'm going to, the printing cost is $365. Estimated royalty is just over $2. So, I could try this at, let's see, let's try it at $8.99. Okay? And you can see I'm going to make a little under $2. So you can play with this to see what the optimal cost for your book is. But I want to show you how expensive it gets after. So let's do 45 pages of premium color. And let's go back to $9.99. And see. So 45, you can see, it's just at $2, but as you keep going up with your pages, let's try 50. You can see it just, your profit margin, you're going to have to, raise that to $10.99. And there's kind of like that price thing where people like to, or okay spending under $10, so $9.99. But you're going to have to do this. But, if it's worth it, if you think you can sell your book for $12.99 and it has like 55 pages, let's see, you still make $3. So this will give you a good idea of what you can do. I love selling $12.99 books, and I'm going to show you, like, let's say I do 100. I have a book that's got about 150 pages. I sell it at $12.99. And this is just with white paper. I make $5 royalty. So this is one of my favorite price points for if I can do a black and white interior and maybe it's a little bit more complex, 150, 160 pages, and I make like $5. I really do like this price point for the black and white, but you can see kind of why. As you play with the numbers, you can decide what you want to make, and you can, decide what it makes sense to charge in different countries, okay? So this is a list price of 12 in British pounds because we're in the UK market, and we're making, pretty good in pounds, 5.59 British pounds. So that's a pretty good profit. All right. I thought you would think this is really helpful, especially because maybe you're familiar with the paperback prices, but maybe not hardcover. Last time I checked this, they did not have hardcover, and so I'm excited that they have updated this to actually add hardcover. So let's just see. 150 pages, black and white, in British pounds. You can see that you'd still be making over £2 for 150 pages hardcover. That's actually not too bad. Hardcovers a lot of times will sell at that $14.99 or $19.99, and you can see you can still make a pretty good profit on a hardcover, 150 at $14.99. Let's see what that would be in the US, just for interest's sake. For some reason, it is more expensive in the US to print a hardcover book. So $14.99 it's just less than $2. So maybe you want to price it at $16. Let's see what that is. So that's like $2.89. That's not too bad. All right, this was just to give you an idea of what you can do and what you can ask yourself and what price points seem to make sense for you. And looking at the different books on Amazon, you can decide what other people are charging and what you want to charge and what type of profit you want to make. And this I thought would help you guys. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.